Welcome to another video on the End Munich 2022. We're here with Daniel Weiss, well known at Alpha Audio and in the world, I think. We see some new stuff on the table, because it's all OEM, so no white boxes with red W's on it.
Those are upstairs, yeah.
Upstairs is your own stuff.
German distributor is showing our stuff in a hall there, in a room, yeah.
Oh, okay, so look, if you want to see it, it's upstairs. But here we see mostly OEM stuff. I think these are the most interesting ones because these are new.
These are new, yes. This is electronics for an active speaker with digital crossovers, and has also the capability to stream, like Roon. It's Roon ready, ASCB as well, USB. So it can be an all-in-one unit speaker, basically. So,
But I see also live box on it.
yeah, that's our own soundbar, large soundbar, which you're working on, which will be finished soon. And
I won't make jokes about it.
I appreciate that. So this is electronics which is in the back of the soundbar, basically. But we now decided that we want to sell that as well to OEMs, because in high-end hi-fi, more and more companies are going into active speakers and speakers with digital crossovers.
Yeah, definitely, it's a trend. We've seen the new DIN Audio lately, but just for our viewers, loads of active speakers at the moment. So pretty clever.
Yeah, I think it's a good move for the industry, you know. So, and I think many of those speaker manufacturers don't have the know-how for digital crossovers, for instance.
It's quite a science, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's not like this is the crossover point, we'll fix it there and everything will be fine.
Right. When you do it digitally, then you can do linear phase and phase aligned and all that stuff. You can do delays as required. So it's much better in technical terms, you know.
Technically, active is the way to go.
I think so. Yeah.
Then we see another one with an SMPS 1200 and, sorry Jung, I'm going to move a little bit, and Eigentakt.
Yeah, right. This is the first OEM customer we have for such a speaker, for an active speaker. And that's a company Airplane in Switzerland. And we designed that for them, custom made, basically. It's a three-way speaker and an additional subwoofer connection. So he has three Eigentakt.
Yeah, Purifier Eigentakt.
Purify, yeah, right. And 4 channels of D2A conversion for those three. And
4?
yeah.
For the subwoofer out, yes.
Yeah, right. And the input is digital here on an Ethernet connector, basically. It's not Ethernet, but we use Ethernet cabling for the ASCB, which is perfect. Yeah. So 4 channels of the 4 channels come out of here with a digital output interface. And yeah, it's very compact, you know. That's about 1 kilowatt of power here.
Which is amazing. I mean, if you would have to build this 10 years ago, would it be possible with 1 kilowatt, 3 channels of amplification?
Yeah, 10 years, I don't know. Maybe already, yeah, but it's incredible.
Yeah. Still, this is a DA converter board. So potentially small parties that don't have the capability to create their own DAC boards can now buy Weiss DACs.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's not not very sophisticated, but still very good actually. So
well, it's not sophisticated in Weiss land.
Yeah, let it put that way. Yeah.
This is a USB input, but it's larger than I would suspect, so there must be more on that.
Yeah, okay, that's USB input in this. Here in this chip is a downsampler from DST 128 and 64 to PCM, and also downsampler of 384 and 352.8 to half the frequency. So that's the purpose of these chips here. So you have an ASCBU output, SPDIF output, I2S output. Yeah.
All right, so Weiss went a little bit OEM now, which is a good thing, I think, for the rest of us.
I think so, yeah. But this is an operational amplifier. We already sell in the hundreds to OEM customers. So, and it's a very good thing part. You know, it's probably one of the best audio OP amps available.
Is it plug and play?
Yeah, well, depends on the compensation. You know, the operation amplifiers, they are not plug and play usually, because you need to compensate them, some of them at least. So you may have to change the circuitry a little bit, but no big deal usually.
Thank you for your time and explanation of all these beautiful parts, and I hope you have some good fair days left. Thank you.